Here's a simple Sicilian pepper salad. You want to start with some garlic, and here's my trick for garlic when you have to mince it. Take a couple cloves, or however number you're using, and just sprinkle some salt over them. Then go shopping or something, come back 20 minutes later, and you'll be able to chop it. And you see what's happened here? If you look on my board, you see that liquid that's been coming out of the garlic that I chopped after I had the salt on it. So now it makes it almost creamy. See, almost creamy. And that's going to blend very well with this salad. So there is a tip on garlic. So once we have that, I'm going to put the garlic right here now because I have to do something else. But you see that water that came out of there just from adding salt to 2 cloves of garlic. So for this salad, I said it's Sicilian, and that means mint. Yes. So here we have some fresh mint leaves. And all we want to do is mince those with that garlic. This is just a nice, refreshing salad in the summer, and all we did to the peppers was char them like we did for the peperonata and the stuffed peppers. Took the skins off and then cut them into strips. See, so there they are. So you can use a variety of peppers, yellow, red, green, whatever you would like. And then this simple dressing is really going to make those peppers sing. And I especially like this on a really hot day when you don't want to heat up the oven too much, so I would do the peppers on the grill in this case. And then I make this early in the day because if you let the flavors mingle somewhat, really better. Then you get some crusty Sicilian bread, some semolina bread, or you get a ciabatta, and you mop up the juices of the salad with the bread. So there's our combo of garlic and mint. And that's going to go right in there. In it goes. And I'm not going to give it too much more salt because there's salt on that garlic. I'll just do a little. And then we want some extra virgin olive oil. Toss those peppers with all this mixture. Beautiful. And then, because in Sicily, one of the underlying flavors is something called agrodolce, sour and sweet at the same time, we want to add the sweetness part. And the sweetness part could be just red wine vinegar, white balsamic vinegar, or let me make a royal room for this, because I was telling you about the peppers I did earlier from Naples. You see, I went to the Cantina del Vesuvio, and I bought this special red wine vinegar. It's very, very syrupy. So just because you're here, and this is my prized vinegar, I don't use this for everybody, I'm just going to do a little syrupy dollop of this vinegar. You don't need much because it's very, very concentrate. And that's the sweet part. So this is Sicilian pepper salad with mint and garlic and Mary Ann's prized vinegar from Vesuvio.